Hello everybody, this is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are ready for a new week. I am, and I hope you guys had a great weekend. I did. My husband came home. We had a lot of fun together, took our dog to a park in Springfield, and we enjoyed yummy coffee and pumpkin donuts from Krispy Kreme. Oh yes, those are my favorite. I love them. And we had plans of going and picking out our cabinets for our kitchen remodel that we're going to do. But since he was only going to be here for 2 days, we postponed that. We were also going to get some appliances for our kitchen. We postponed that because we need to know the measurements, of the cabinets so that the appliances will fit in the slots correctly. So we did buy an upright freezer, and I'm super happy about that. It seems like most of the upright freezers, I don't know if they're sold out or what, but most stores that we went to only had chest freezers. So we ended up ordering a freezer from a store. They ordered it for us online, and it will be delivered next weekend. So I'm happy about that. So yeah, kitchen remodel stuff is coming. It's just that we postponed it. But we did have such a wonderful time together this weekend. And my husband loved the backyard. We had 6 trees removed, cut down, 6 huge oak trees, cut down, stumps ground up. And next spring we will reseed. We'll have to have soil put down, and then we'll have the lawn reseeded in the backyard. Oh, it's going to look nice. So he was very happy with how that looked. All right, so without further ado, I received my Hip Kit Club for the month of September. I'm subscribed to the main kit, and then which is a scrapbooking kit. They also do Project Life type kits as well, and then they have a mixed media kit, an embellishment kit. These are all add-ons that you can do. So I placed my order for 2 mixed media kits and had them all sent in with the main kit. That way I'm not charged extra for shipping. So I have Lindy's Stamp Gang spritz glitz and shimmer sprays, and then I have the Prima, tattered angels, you know what I'm talking about, those sprays. I have a few of those as well, but I've heard a lot about the Shimmerz sprays, Shimmerz paints, so I picked up a couple of mixed media kits and I'm not even sure from what months they were from. If their kits are still available, even from like a year or 2 ago, you can, order those, which is really neat. So this is Finnabair Timber Transparent Stamp. And then it came with the Jenny B Blue Vibes spray. So it's got like the mica or whatever down there. And then this is the Inklings Sun Kissed, and it's really, really pretty. It's like a soft peach color. And then I picked up the Christmas one. I think this was from last year or the year before. This is the Echo Park stencil for Jingle All the Way. And it came with Berry Hot Creams, and there's that color. And then Orange Sherbet. And this is Mango Tango Vibes and Spritz and Cotton Candy. And there you can see the mica there. And you need to shake it up before you spray it, and then you'll have beautiful shimmer. So I've got that, and then this is the main, scrapbooking kit. It's for the month of September. This is called September Days. And so some of these papers and embellishments are exclusive to the Hip Kit Club, and others you can purchase, like there's Pink Fresh besides. So this is fabric die cuts. So really cute, like jean pockets. And they have little, like your your jean pocket might say Levi's. This says happy, yay, XOXO. So those are really cute. And then there's some flowers there. And this is ephemera from Pink Fresh, the best day. And there are the pieces there. You get 45 pieces. Oops. And this is clear stickers, exclusive to the Hip Kit Club. And they have a mosaic pattern on them. Really, really pretty. Puffy stickers. Real fun sentiments there. School rocks, coffee time, fun, fun, fun. Those are cute. And puffy alphas in like a denim blue. So many reasons. So these, let's see. I tried to separate them. I didn't try. I did separate them. There we go. These are all exclusive papers to the Hip Kit, and then the rest are Pink Fresh. So this is called So Many Reasons. And it's got, this is a school themed kit. Although you could use it, it doesn't have to just be for school days. This is No Sneaking Around. I thought that was really cute, that pun. Teacher's Pet. See, and this you could use on a card for autumn. Bubble tea. Pass me a note. And then this is denim material, like a pattern on there that looks like jeans, you know. And these are, the rest are Pink Fresh. This is the Best Day, and I think most of these are from the Best Day. So Harvest Market, Cozy Days. This is pretty. I love that. That's pretty too. Welcome Home. Hello Fall. And these are cut aparts. Together is my fave. And last but not least, Love You. And before I let you go, I'm going to do a little giveaway. Where did I put it? Here it is. So I have this paper pad from Polka Doodles, and I purchased this when I was on the Polka Doodles design team. It's called The Great Outdoors. There were 32 sheets. I think there's now 30 sheets. I think I used 2 pieces, maybe 3 pieces from this. It's not a paper pad because they're not glued together, but you know what I mean? They're separate, they're single sheets. You get 8 designs, 4 of each design in there. And like I said, I used a few pieces, but most of them are still there, and they're really pretty. I should hold it back up, hold it still so you can see the pretty patterns there. So perfect for autumn. And then I'm going to also send the winner of my little giveaway this card that I shared previously. This autumn card that I made. And so you do need to be a subscriber to my channel, and you must live in the US. And what I would like for you to do, again, please do not mention the word giveaway in your comment. But if you want to be entered in for this giveaway, tell me about the weather in your neck of the woods. Because the reason that's on my mind right now is it's autumn, my favorite season of all. But it is hot, and normally we have cool temperatures, and it just feels nice and cozy, and I love autumn, but it is hot. It's going to be like 90 degrees today, and it's been hot for weeks and weeks, and it's supposed to start getting cooler towards the end of this week. Next week, beginning next week, should start getting cooler. But tell me the temperature, or not maybe the temperature, but the weather. Are you experiencing summer still, or are you experiencing autumn weather in your neck of the woods? That's all you have to do to enter this. If I don't see anything about the weather in your area, I know you don't want to be entered in my little giveaway. All right? Have a fabulous day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Bye for now.